No holds barred ang stand ni Saving Cherry star Barbie Forteza pagdating sa issue ng cheating. Si Dennis Trillo naman muling pumirma ng kontrata sa GMA Network. Yan ang entertainment spotlight ni Athena Imperial.
Muling pumirma ng kontrata sa Kapuso Network si Dennis Trillo.
Dennis has been with us for over 22 years. Dennis has always been at the forefront of the challenges that face us all as producers. And our success has been greatly influenced by his presence.
Thank you for trusting GMN again. And as stated by our president, at least a decade more to come.
A true star is not defined only by trophies or box office movies or high-rating teleseries. It is also defined by the relationships that you've built along the way, your professionalism, your humility, and most of all, your power or your ability to move the audience.
Nakakatuwa na alam mo yun, lahat nung paghihirap na yun, lahat nung dedication na yun, nagbunga na hanggang ngayon.
Do cheaters deserve a second chance? No. Thank you.
No holds barred si Barbie Forteza sa MediaCon ng comedy film na Saving Cherry. Excited na raw ang Kapuso Primetime Princess na ipakita ang kanyang other side of acting sa anyay most matured role niya about married life and cheaters.
In-unleash ko lang yung wild side ko. Wow!
Yes.
Yeah. Hindi ko rin akalain na may ganun din akong side. Wild pero may dahilan, may lalim.
Athena Imperial, GMA News.